Samsung is set to redefine the foldable phone market with its highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 7, the successor to the Galaxy Z Fold 6, launched in 2024. Expected to debut in the second half of 2025, this cutting-edge device is rumored to bring groundbreaking design updates that users have been eagerly awaiting since the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Major features to watch out for: sleek and ultra-thin design. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to be Samsung's slimmest foldable phone to date. Measuring an astonishing 4.5 mm thin when unfolded, 9.5 mm when folded, it exudes elegance and practicality. Its durable aluminum armor frame with flat sides and softly rounded corners ensures durability while maintaining a premium look. With an impressive IP48 rating, users can count on protection against dust and water, making it a reliable everyday companion. Enhanced display technology. Samsung is upping the ante with larger screens for both the cover and foldable displays. Featuring a 6.5-inch cover screen and an 8.2-inch foldable screen, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 promises immersive visuals with dynamic AMOLED 2X panels, a 120Hz refresh rate, and incredible peak brightness levels of 2600 nits. To elevate the user experience further, the crease on the foldable display is reportedly less noticeable compared to its predecessor. Next-level camera performance. Photography enthusiasts will rejoice as the Galaxy Z Fold 7 boasts a triple camera setup. Its 200MP main camera with OIS, inspired by the Galaxy S Ultra series, is designed to capture stunning details in every shot. Accompanying the main sensor are a 12MP ultrawide camera and a 10MP telephoto lens, perfect for versatility. The device also includes improved front cameras, a 10MP selfie camera and an upgraded under-display camera, capable of recording in 8K at 30 frames per second. Samsung's exclusive log format offers cinematic-grade video recording with flatter color profiles for professional editing. Powerful specifications and seamless software. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor, paired with a minimum of 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. It will ship with Android 15-based One UI 7.0, bringing intuitive features and long-term software support, including 7 generations of updates. Battery and connectivity. Equipped with a 4,400 mAh battery and support for 25W fast charging, this phone ensures long-lasting power. Wireless enthusiasts will appreciate its compatibility with G2-ready accessories, enabling 15W fast wireless charging and magnetic alignment. Price and availability. Samsung is expected to maintain a similar price point to its predecessor, with the 256GB model starting at $1,899.99 in the USA. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 could be unveiled in July 2025, hitting stores shortly thereafter.